It's a fish.
How was that?
Pretty good.
You like that recipe?
I need some more. Yum. Now try this. It's going to be delicious. Peppy, we got a big recipe.
Oh, I'm coming.
It's a new recipe. And it's delicious.
I'm just pouring that out because there's a little bit too much in there. Too much water. There.
Look.
Oops. Pouring it on the floor. Another one?
Yuck. Yum.
I like the other one better. But that's okay.
Here, try this one.
You gotta like that.
Ah, there you go. Good stuff.
Now do you want to help me cook?
Help you cook.
Yeah.
Oh, do you like that one too?
Uh-huh. That's also better. Try this one. Yum.
Yeah, it's pretty good. You're pouring it all over the place, so I'm gonna put
Try
some
this
on
one.
your face.
Gidget, try this one.
This one.
Try this recipe.
Okay. Oh, that's my favorite. That's my favorite. They're all good, but that's my favorite.
I need some sugar. I need some sugar.
Sweets for the sweet.